Kalapang. Linz, Kitty, hello. James, Shawi. Para akong gago. Kamusta, Win?
Kakain na yan! Lucky Me Pansit Canton sa Happiness!
Ito kanta to. Hi, Mr. Sharks. Hello, John Lloyd, Shawi. Baby Cheese, hello. Hello, Bench. Hi, ID, Shawi.
Hinahanap ka, dito ka lang kanina. Mag-isa sa kama, simula.
Hi, Lux! Bakit mo ako hinahanap, Lux? Again! Ideal love, Prince.
Habang usok lamang
Ganda mo, ID.
dilim yung nakikita. Hinahanap ka, dito.
Actually, hello, Papa P.
Hindi pa sa laso. Di na nagpa... Ano na pa?
Director, Juna, Lalo, L, Spider. Oh, cute. Hey, hello. Don't Smith. Uy, wala akong sayo ngayon. Malamig, idol. Kailangan mo magpainit. Hindi na kailangan yan. Hi, Ariel, Jam. May kamay naman ako. Who's behind you? Ewan ko sa'yo. Who's behind you na naman tayo niyan. Kanina, mag-isa sa kama simula nung umuwi ka. Osman, Roberto, lo. Akong nangihina. ID, nahanap ka, andito ka lang kanin. Hi, Nick. Nick, hello. Mula nung umuwi ka. Thank you, Lucas. You're so kind naman, Lucas. Why you're so kind? Sir Nine Pogi, hi ganda, hi Rodel. Diyan, akala ko. Wala tayong ganap ngayon, puro chismis. ID, hello. 15, 11, pwede bang number na lang banggitin? Bakit naman kasi pangalan, tas hindi mo naman mabasa. Vin Bites, Michael ID Shawi. Mr. Wanted. C. Axis. Thank you for the pearl. You want my pearl? Thank you for the heart, Lucas. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Hi, JT. Wow, ano meron? Why you're so kind naman, guys? JT, Aki, Oki, hello. Thank you so much. Yan na, sweet ko na, ha? Oh, no. No. Tagasan kayo, guys. Tagasan ka, Lux, and then X na lang tawag ko sa'yo. Hi, James, Brian, True Love. Sana all may true love. Ito, kantayin natin to, ID. Sana all may true love. Mr. 6 minutes, ID Blocks. Serena, next, hello. Zamba. What is Zambo? Walang Zambo ngayon. Walang Zumba. Ay po niya, tuwing umaga lang ang Zumba. Zamboanga. Gaga? Gaga ka? Zamboanga pala. Kala ko Zumba. together. Let's it out. Shit. Ikaw naman, ano, exif ba yan? Ano bang tamang pagbanggit? Hindi siya weird. Bosman, Zior, Azam. I'll be your right shoulder. I'll be your side. Thank you, Sort. Heart. Sige. Little head over like very and what? Marupok ka? Hindi ako marupok. Abdul ID, it's me. Hello, it's me. It's me. How are you, it's me? ID, Shavi. Simpatico, hello. Hey, oh, we belong together. Yes, it are. Till covers of love. Kala mo broken na, no? Hi, Daryl, Joseph, Idealo, Secret, hello, Pen, hello. Hello, guys. 60, hello. And I'll be your right shoulder. I'll be love's side. I see. 28. Oh, hi, hello. Oh, yeah. Hi, March. Pambalo. This Tiger. Hello. Dami namang viewers ngayon. Director, Sham, Raz, Roberto. Sige nga. Ano, tawag dito, tanongin mo nga ako. Kahit anong tanong, sige. I need chance nyo na to, guys. Sasagot ko. Ano ko? Oo nga, may lahi na akong kikikiti. Newbie, Ryan, Venus, Kyle, hello. I'll be your right shoulder. I'll be love suicide. Chapter 2 ng kwento mo. Anong kwento ba yun, guys? Ang gusto niyo marinig? Art, Miss Chanelo. Ano, patugtugin natin darating din yan. Ayan, kantahin na.
Together!
Hi, Zalba!
Hindi beef chili mansipa!
Ay, Shawi! Ano ba yun si X? Si X? Ano, X na naman. X na naman ang usapan.
hot scrubbing.
Shall we?
Power for instant stain removal. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to sparkling clean. Powerful steam cleans everything from tiles to
Kalmalo. Type hello. Hello guys. Grabe yung ano ko, yung eyes ko, parang nagbo-blur na siya kasi always using Anza, hello. Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry. Hi, Chan Boy.
So,
Hello.
ang team natin ngayon ay alas.
Ate May, lahi ka po.
1, alas.
I'm happy. Kasi mukha ko. Thank you. ID, Shawi. Sakit ang ulo ko. Hi nga. Number, hello. Guys, 1 hour lang ako magla-live. Then, I'm going out. Hitman, ID, Shawi. Depends on my mood pala. Hi, my love. Sweet Balanji Neneng, baby daddy for you, Diamond, ha? Hi, Anggi. Ate, bagay kayo ng kapatid ko. Woo! Anggi. Not fall. I wanted you to see me through it all. I wanted you to be the one I love. I wanted you. KJ, hello. I wanted you to hold me in my sleep. I wanted you to show me what I need. I wanted you to know just how damn deep. I wanted you. I wanted you. Ano ito? I've been pushing hard to. Hi, Gregory. Hello. Lam. Hello. Cool. Nagkaon ka na ba? No. Maybe later I'm going to eat. But now, I don't know. Still, I'm so lazy today. Hi, love. So believe me. Hoy, Bogart. Dito ka pala. I wanted you to see the when I fall. Hi, Macy. Hello. Hi, Jen. Rilo. See the one that I know. I wanted you. True love. Ang style ng kapatid ko ay Lee Jong-sik. Chill na, boss. Or nag-end na kayo? Kastan. Hello. Angas ng kantahan mo. I want, tinamaan ka ba? Tangin na. Gago. Yan. I'm still so low. Kantahan ng tinamaan yan. Tinamaan sa sakit sa ulo. Minsan, Jackson. So, bakit di natatawa sa akin? We're laughing, guys. You hurt me, you know that? Aris, why Macy? You're always calling me. Di ka naman mukhang lonely. I always happy lang because, if I'm sad, like, you know that. Ate request ko song. Follow me, Macy. Sino ba si Aris? What happened, Bella? Why are you crying, Bella? Bella? Who's Bella? Peta, 28, Pangpush. No. Pretty lady. Ito na, oh. I-follow ko na, diba? Hi, Simon! My friend! Anwar! Liz! Sige, later. I'm going to next your song. Joker, hello. Cloud, hello. Ariel, hello. Love, hello. Alam ko, hello, ha? I'm so lonely. I have nobody. Thanks, my friends. Dalaga na si Macy. Yes! Dalaga na! Sariwa! Ali Jun! In love mo? No! Do you think I'm in love? Hello! Black, please fight me. Tall bully. Sariwain ano yan, dos? No, it's not fish. It's um like pink rose. Hi, Jason. Fresh meat. Thank you, Fanny. Thank you. Ay, may alimuya. Yes. My rose is... Yeah. It's like a... It's a fresh... Hi, Nico. Alaga-alaga. Macy, I will pray at the moment. Oh, next time I'm going. No problem, my friend Aris. And please pray me. Pray me to ha. FTFTB. FTF, ano ba yun? FFTB ba? Hi, ID. Hi, me. ID, chill na boss. Tawa ka ng tawa. You're laughing always to me, ha? You're always bullying me. Even I don't have... Thank you for tapping, Tante.
Formula
Big
with vitamin
cheers.
B5 strengthens hair and helps
I'm not
build hair follicle
bullying.
beauty
You
for
bullying
10
me.
times
You
less
know
hair
that?
fall. Pantene.
It don't matter. It don't matter. ID. Aljun, thank you for following me. Tekken, hello. Oh. Hi, Booker! Dan, Boogie, guys, I don't have ano talaga. Maybe if I'm going to, my body, I will give you my telegram. I don't know how bullying. You're bully. Ano yan? But today, I'm not free for, I don't have video using the ring. See you again. I'm not a bully. Who is the bully? Is Bogart? Bogart? Rino? ID, shall we? Guys, follow me, okay? I'm not dog. I'm not a ghost. Gago. Hello, everyone, to my 422,000 viewers. Hello, everyone. Touch me not, hello. Sandy, Mr. Man, hello. Jerry, hello. DJ Kokyao, hello. Nobody wanna see us together. Nobody knows. 'Cause I love you. You attached. Who? No, I'm not. No way. I love to love. Guess what? I will kill you. Hi, Jonathan. Who is he? Pilma. Hi, Pillow. Alvin, Robert, thank you for following me. Big shout out all of you. Okay guys, any question? Sige, I'm going to answer that. Parang ako sira ulo. Believing for all night to love you. Another question? Yeah, sure. Why not? Hi, sana all manolol. Z24 Neko, shall we? Shout out everyone. I hope guys are okay. Your host is not okay cause I think she's going crazy. Ano ba maganda? Go! Any question? Guys, how about for 128? Okay, galaw-galaw. Thanks. And sana all. Uy, wala iyon. Ano ka ba? Mr. Su, JR, hello. Wanna see us together, but it's not alone. Alan, hello. Paris, Journey, Top Ticket, hello. Feels so far. Love you. Oh, thank you for loving me. I love you too. Hello, Cancer. Hi, Nancy. Caroline, hello. Hello. Hi, Mikey. Believe in your far. Believe in the far. But all love to love me. May ganap ba? ID, what's happened to you? Are you okay? Nasa miss off ba? What nasa miss off ba? Nick, hello. Newcomer. Ano, ang daming newcomer ngayon sa